Hello, we're here live in Dayton, Ohio at the Air Force NDI Working Group Vendor Night, Day 2, and I wanted to show you guys the latest feature from the tracker, and that is Leapfrogging. So this is the original session that was bordered by our original markers, our 4 markers, and we're going to go to File and pick Adjacent Session. So we call these Leapfrogs because you basically start with that first session and then you will use it to leapfrog to the next one. So first it will save the original work, and then you'll get the option to do a next leap. So this original session is here. This is going to be a new session with this ruler, just as a demo. Hit OK. And now we're going to do Find Next Leap. And now we can move the camera. The camera will be just positioned to look at the new set of markers. And you'll see that the software is looking for them. It's already found some of them. As long as it can see one or two of the old markers from the previous session, then you're good to go. So it looks like we have now got a lock on those 2 markers. Now we're going to hit Perform Leap. You can hit OK for the same session information. It's going to do a focusing step just to optimize the session. And then here we are with the options to be able to pick what grid size. We're going to go down to the 1/4-inch grids and hit OK. And then we're ready to go. So you can see in the cam view, this is what the new grid looks like. It's overlaid on top of the ruler. So we're going to go to that ruler now. I'm going to zoom in a little here. Grab our probe. So this is the M116 probe connected to the Olympus Epic 650. And you can see it will follow. It's already tracking exactly where I am. Let's see if we'll pick up an interesting feature here. Let's just take that number 2, I'm going to put the probe right over that, and you can see it is right over that, and it's already grabbing the readings and mapping as we go. I have some gel already left on the ruler, some handy couplant, and you can see all those readings are still piped in red from the Epic 650 as usual. So you do this, you can go across the whole ruler this way. You can kind of do this from afar. If you look at it, you can see both where my hand is and where the arrow is updating on the screen. And then once you're done, then we of course go back to the big payoff, the big step where you want to export the C-scan. So this is going to allow us to basically patch those 2 sessions together. So this is most useful if you have a long strip. You can imagine, say, a 12-foot wing slat that you are inspecting. You may need maybe 2 or 3 different Leapfrog sessions to cover them if you'd like to do it more efficiently. So that's what we are enabling now. So we're going to go now to our saved sessions. It should be this one, our latest one. Open up that PDF, and there we go. This is what we just did. So you can see that that's the first session. This is the second one we patched together, and if we zoom in, you can see these are the actual readings that were taken. So it's right on that ruler. This is where I was kind of dragging along the end of the ruler, and that's how leapfrogging works. Yep. And the rest of this report file is just as we expect. It gives you the big picture of where we are. It also will give you a clean picture, and then finally, this is like page 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 of the PDF. So if you want a hard copy, you can scroll this, and all the readings should be readable, even standard, 8.5 by 11 sheet of paper. This report format is now uploaded to our website, tracker.cybernet.com, where you're probably seeing this video. So if you scroll down the page, you can see a couple more example reports that give you this format you can take a look at on your own time. And of course, contact us with any questions you may have. I'm Kevin. I'm happy to answer any and all questions. So we're looking forward to sharing the tracker with more people in the Air Force tonight. Lots of awesome inspectors. We had a great night last night, and please reach out at tracker.cybernet.com or tracker@cybernet.com if you want to email, and we'll look forward to starting a discussion with you on how the tracker can be a great tool to help you save your labor and reduce your costs. Thanks. Bye-bye.